Hey everybody, Daniel back again showing you what's going on in our showroom in here at Serenity Knives. We are going to be with Buck right now. I've got one knife, it just came in, fairly new guy, really cool, interesting mechanism that we've got here. This is the Buck Paradigm, or as some people like to say, the Paradigm. And that's just how I say it. You can berate me all you want for it. Not going to change how I say it. So it is the Buck Paradigm or Paradigm. But really cool blade came out here. So the Buck 590. I think this is the Pro version if I'm not mistaken. What I really like is the technology in here. So when we got this, we thought it was a dual action, but this is actually an assisted with Buck's patented assist technology. I think it's called the shift mechanism or the shift. But basically you take this bolster here and you're going to see me shift it over. That's going to unlock the lock. This now will allow you to use this flipper here, so that way you assist the knife right on out. And if you use that to also push this back, you now lock it in. You don't have to worry about your blade coming in on your hand. What I really love is this clean line it leaves, so you have no worry about a liner. I really like that. Nothing back here for a back lock. It's a really smooth and sleek knife. All you got to do to close it, and it will be on a spring, you're going to shift that bolster right back on out, close it, and that's your lock. That will not deploy as long as that's open, as long as that's closed. Once you open it and you push down, you can give it both a double kind of bring down, and you'll push it all back down. Really cool mechanism, guys. S35 VN steel with the Bose heat treat. You've got a deep carry. Some people call this a true deep carry, but you have a deep carry pocket clip that can be reversed. So basically allowing you left-handed tip up or right-handed tip up carry only. I don't know exactly what this bolster is. I feel like this is a stainless liner, and the mechanism does make it very bolster heavy. You've got textured G10, which I love this texture on here, and the G10's a textured and very durable material. Then you've got a little bit of a kind of stippling done here, basically some relief to kind of give you a little extra grip. I like that as well. I want to say that's an aluminum backspacer because, like I said, all the weight is in this bolster mechanism. The rest of it is also just a very clean knife, guys. So once again, the Buck Paradigm or Paradigm, really cool knife, new here at Serenity Knives. Check everything online. Like I said in the previous videos, all of our pricing is going to be online. And just to kind of give you some quick measurements, I've got here my clear ruler. Once again, my hand falls in right in line with that 3.5. I'm very average for a hand grip. This fits very nice in my hand. I actually like it. It might be one I actually kind of get to add to my collection. Blade length here from the heel to the tip, you're looking at 3 inches. The handle, you are going to be right, and I like to put it right where my finger goes. So you're looking at about 3 1/4. About 3 1/4. Really like that it fits in my hand really well. The blade to handle ratio is almost 1-to-1. You got 3 1/4 and then 3 even, so that makes it a little shorter and the handle a little longer. I'm not mad about that. But overall, guys, really cool knife. The only thing I will say negative on it is you are closing on a spring. So if you're not familiar with that, it can be a little daunting to close on a spring because you're having to make sure you push this all the way down before you release it. Other than that, this is a really cool assisted knife from Buck, everybody. The Buck Paradigm or Paradigm.